Safety isn't just a policy, it's a mindset. And as an HSE, Health, Safety and Environment Officer, you play a crucial role in protecting lives and ensuring compliance in workplaces. But what does it take to be a successful HSE officer? In this video, we'll break down the key steps from education and certifications to essential skills and industry best practices. Whether you are just starting or looking to advance your career, these insights will set you on the path to success. Let's dive in. First, you need a strong educational foundation. A degree in occupational health and safety, environmental science, or engineering is a great start, but certifications take you further. NEBOSH and OSHA are globally recognized, while ISH and CSP, Certified Safety Professional, add credibility. Specialized training in high risk industries like construction or oil and gas can also give you an edge. Technical knowledge alone isn't enough. A successful HSE officer must identify risks before they become accidents. Strong communication ensures safety protocols are understood by all employees. You'll also need deep knowledge of local and international safety laws. And never underestimate the power of attention to detail. One overlooked hazard can lead to major consequences. Theory is important, but real world experience is irreplaceable. Start with the internships or junior safety roles. Shadow experienced HSE officers to learn best practices. Conduct safety audits, document incidents, and understand how policies are applied on site. The more exposure you get, the more confident you'll become in handling emergencies. Safety standards evolve constantly. Subscribe to industry journals, attend workshops, and stay updated on new regulations. Networking is equally important. Join associations like ASSP, American Society of Safety Professionals, or NSE, National Safety Council, to connect with experts and discover career opportunities. Becoming a successful HSE officer takes dedication, but with the right education, skills, experience, and continuous learning, you'll make workplaces safer and build a rewarding career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career boosting content. Drop a comment below what's your biggest challenge as an HSE professional. Thanks for watching and stay safe.